What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to share games on Steam, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to borrow games on Steam. So what you need to do is allow Steam to have family library sharing. So how can you set this up? So basically log into your Steam account on the computer where you'd like to share your games. Make sure that you have SteamGuard security enabled. By doing how to do it, well, go to Steam, select settings, and then go security in the Steam client. From the Steam settings panel, select family tab, and here you can select users who have also logged into this computer to share your library with. As you can see over here, when you select family, it's over here saying authorize library sharing on this device, and you need to enable it. So basically requesting access from the owner, be sure to enable SteamGuard on your Steam account. From your library, you'll be able to see games owned by other Steam accounts that use the same computer. Select a game and click borrow to request access to that respective library. Requesting access will send the game owner an email with a link to allow you to play games in their library. The game owner will then need to click the link in the email to authorize your computer and grant your Steam account access to their games. So guys, quite an easy way to do that, and it's quite a nice thing that Steam has that feature. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.